Hello, today we will guide you through how to check your Booking.com wallet balance. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that the page has fully opened before moving on. This helps avoid clicking the wrong option too early, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. When you're on the Booking.com homepage, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account controls. You're looking for the Profile Account section. Depending on whether you're already signed in, this area may show your profile icon, your name, or a sign-in option. If the page layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Booking.com occasionally updates its design, but the profile area is typically still located in the same upper right corner. Once you've found the profile section, click on your profile. This will open your account menu and give you access to the different parts of your Booking.com account. If nothing opens right away, try clicking once more and give the menu a second to appear. On some devices or browsers, menus can take a brief moment to load. After the account menu opens, look for the option labeled Rewards and Wallet. This is the section where Booking.com groups together account rewards and wallet-related information. Click on Rewards and Wallet to continue. When this page opens, you should be able to view your wallet information, including your available balance, if one is present in your account. This is the area to check whenever you want to confirm whether you have travel credits, rewards, or other wallet funds available for use. If you don't see a balance right away, take a careful look around the page as the wallet details may appear in a dedicated panel or section within the rewards page. If the option is missing, it may mean you are not signed into the correct account or that your account currently doesn't have wallet funds available. In that case, double check that you're using the right account and refresh the page if needed. And that's it. By going to the Booking.com homepage, opening your profile in the top right corner, and selecting Rewards and Wallet, you can quickly check your Booking.com wallet balance whenever you need it.